the match on the blue side. 3 robots. Whoa, my gosh. Crazy Autonomous from Jetstream. Looks like they may have snapped a chain there. On the blue side, though, their alliance partners putting up 2 L4 Coral. On the red side of the field, 2 robots off the line, 1 stationary. Your score at the end of Autonomous is 33-13. Entering into our tally-op period, 60-72, slow and steady, raising that Coral up to level 4. Their teammates momentum with Coral in hand, looking for a place to score. On the blue side of the field, 294 doing those super cycles. 1 algae and 1 L4 Coral per cycle. 702 racing over to their Coral station. That Culver City Middle School poster proving instrumental for their Coral collection. 294 picking up another Coral from the station, looking to score on L3. I think this Blue Alliance may be going for the Coral ranking point. Jetstream 2710, crippled by that Auton, is moving over to play some defense. 60-72 placing a Coral into the processor, an algae, sorry, into the processor. 49.99 lining up to grab some algae off of that red reef, clearing the way for 60-72 to score more Coral. 27-10 trying to prevent 42.01 from reaching that reef zone, while 60-72 shuttles algae into the processor. 42.01 focusing on that Coral scoring, while 27-10 tries to lock them out. Meanwhile, their teammates, 294, filling up that blue net. 702 goes up, and they are, just barely lost that L4, but it drops into L1. Still good points for them, and still a contribution to that Coral ranking point. 702 nearly a tip there. They are going fast. Let's see, they line up, and they are good. 294 up for a level 3 Coral. That's completed on their second rung. Now they just have 2 more to go. On the red side of the field, 49.99. Let's see if they can release that Coral onto level 2, while 42.01 works on level 4. Unfortunately, just barely a miss, but the L2 lands. 27-10, big slam into 42.01, but 42.01 is able to spin around that defense, using that swerve drive to good effect. 60-72 creeping into the blue bar zone to steal an algae, as 27-10, swings around. It looks like they're lining up for a climb as the sonar pings. 294, 27-10 in their bar zone, looking for a climb. 27-10 getting a little bit stuck on that cage as their arm swings wildly. 702 scoring to the very end. 49.99, 42.01 lining up. We have 5 seconds left in the match. All 6 robots are in their bar zones with 3, 2, and 1. That is the end of qualification match number 73. Your scores in a moment. Your scores for qualification 73. It is a Blue Alliance victory with a score of 165-116. They succeeded at pulling in that Coral RP, and they will have